here I am saying that how you can change your price, compare price very easily. As you are seeing that if you will see this is the compared price and this is the original price. I am showing you. Okay, just wait. So this is the your original compared price, and in blue color that is the $16.88 which is your original price. So how can you set this in your product? I will tell you. So just keep on this video till end so that you could learn each and everything finally. So I am telling you that each and everything I am telling you on Shopify. So if you are the newer, then you should see all old videos so that you could understand each and every concept related to the Shopify store properly. So you should know that you can make much more money from Shopify if you have made a drop shipping website. Firstly, if you are the newer, then you have to log in. In order to log in, you have to go to the Google and just click on the Shopify login, means search on the Shopify login, click on the login Shopify, and you have to put your store address. In my case it is lexcott.myshopify.com. in your case it may be xyz.myshopify.com or baby.myshopify.com. this is your choice, that what you have named your stored. So after putting email, password and OTP, if you have on the two-factor authorization, you will come to dashboard like this. So if you will visit if you click on the products, so if you are coming on the dashboard, I am telling you once more. So here is the products. Are you seeing or not? I am showing you. This is the products. In the left panel you will find the products, and if you will click here, if you will click on the products, okay, I am leaving the page, don't worry. So you will find all the kinds of the products, and suppose that you want to edit this product, then you can means you could do it by clicking on the clicking on this box which is in front of the product. Look here, if you will click here, then you will find some option. In those some option which is above, there is a edit products. There is also an option of the action containing a drop menu. You will find some more option, but I am not going to there. I am clicking here edit products. Then by clicking on the edit products on that selected product, you will find some details here. This is the SKU. Generally people asking me that what is the product SKU, then that is the SKU. You can change it as per your desirement. So this is the SKU, this is the product title, this is the product price, and this is the product compare price. And means here you are seeing that currently editing this field, means I have added SKU price, compare price. So you are saying that SKU price, compare price. You can also add some more fields by clicking here. As you are seeing, here is the drop menu. If you click this drop menu, then you will find some more option, and by choosing those option you can add some more fields, and in this way you will find some more filtered result in your selected products. Suppose that I am clicking weight, then you are seeing now you have the some more options, that is the SKU, price, compared price. This was earlier, these items were earlier in your product, but when I have choose the add fields and I have selected there a weight, then extra things that comes, that is the weight. So you will find a extra item which is weight. Here you will see the weight. So in this way you can make your product very filterable from here, and after doing this you can set your products, you can edit your products very easily. So I am unchecking this and I am removing. You can remove these items weight. I am removing this item weight by clicking here. Sorry, 1 minute friend. Just click on weight. So clicking on the weight and that item goes. So in this way you can filter your search, and in order to edit, I have told you already that you have to click on here. Suppose that you want to edit the price, then click below under the price, means here is the price, and you have to click here, and this is the 12 collections, means in one product you will find 12 collections, 12 variety. And if suppose that if you want to change the price, then you can do from here, and if you want to change a compare price, then you can do from here. So what is the I am telling you, this is the original price, sorry, this is the compare price and this is the original price. I am showing you in detail. Okay, this is the compared price and this is the original price. So in this way, if you add some things, then you can change it. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I am editing this so that I can show you live that how the products is changing, how the product's price and compare price is changing. So here the product price is $16.88. Now I am changing it as I am changing the price of this product. So I will change something like 1.8. Okay, I am putting it a whole number, $20.88. Just click on the save button. If you are not seeing, then this is the save button. So you have to do nothing, you have to just click on that save button. So friends, don't think that I am speaking slow, because if I speak very speedily, then you will get a problem to understand. I'm not saying that everyone will get the problem of the understanding, but mostly people get the problem. So that's why I am speaking slowly. So click here on the save. So after clicking on the save, and if I am visiting my store, that is this is the product, adjustable omen back support, copy, product here. Click on the search, paste, enter. Just wait. Okay. Okay, So that was the product. Okay, as you are seeing that now the product is $20.88, but earlier was $16.88. Look here the difference. This is $16.88, which is the original price of the product, and here is sorry, and here is $20.88. So that is the difference. In this case means before editing there was a $16.88, and after editing it is $20.88. So this is the scene. Means you can also do this. You can also change the compared price. As recently you are seeing here, the compared price is $32.88. Now I am going to change it. So the product is this. Original price is $20.88. You are seeing or not? $20.88. And compare price is $32.88. I am going to changing it. Click here and compared price make $42. Click on the save. Saved one product. As you are seeing here, saved one product. Means your product is saved. Here the compared price is $32.88, and here is also $32.88. I am just refreshing it, and you are seeing here this is $42.88, and here is 30. This is the old. Before editing, the compared price is $32.88. So in this way you can change your compared price and original price by editing the product, which I have shown you here in Shopify. So this is the great work on Shopify. Very important things, because price setting is very important, and price settings should be marginal effective, so that people can feel ease on your store to buy your product. If you put high margin, then it is not very profitable for you, because people will not buy your product easily. They will hesitate a lot of too much to buy your products, and your selling rate will be down. So I think 40 to 50% margin effect will be better to make the sale. So that's all about this. I hope you will understand everything whatever I told you, because I am not, one thing no friends, that this is totally free. I am not taking you a money in order to tell you all the things, because if you are going to classroom program or many types of the tutorials on YouTube that you will see, you will not find a depth way that I will tell you. People don't tell you too much about Shopify. They tell you just as a layer. They give you as a surface knowledge, not depth knowledge. So all the things I am giving you free. If you feel any kinds of the doubt, then you can write a comment under this video. So as you are seeing that I have made the some menu, that is home, catalogs, ladies fashion, ladies fashion, men collection, kitchen articles. So all the things I have made in my store.